Okay, so if we look at this, because of the tailor's blister, now when I press that, can you see how those favored the edges? And see, well, actually it turns this way. So see how this comes out over? Because it's gonna fold over like this. So this, you want to press it, again now from this side, you wanna press it favoring that edge. And so you'll press it favoring that edge. So because of those tailor blisters, that helped. And see, when I look at this and I press it and I go out like this, see how it totally covers that edge. And I just need to work this out a little bit more, but it's actually looking pretty good. And see, because I pressed it open good. And then see, now this, okay, so let's go ahead and press it. Okay, and I'm gonna grab my press cloth. Okay, so I'm now gonna use this little board. And, okay, so this is gonna go like this. So I'm going to press it so that the edges are favored to the back so that the front, you don't see it. And see, I'm just gonna go press that a little bit. Okay. And I can use this to hold the heat in. Oh, don't do that. Okay. And then, oh, I didn't use a point turner to get this out, but really, I think it's pretty good. It's a sample. But get a point turner, but I think I did a pretty good job of getting that out. And you can get a needle or something. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm gonna do this side, and once again, I wanna favor that. And so I'm just gonna make sure that both of those are turned so that the seam is favored to the back so that the front, you don't see it. See, and there's a nice good, give it a couple of shots of steam. Okay, and you want to get this nice and smooth. Remember that was, and don't you just love that big red felt tip? So this tells you where the dot was for sure, but it also helps you to know, never put something permanent on your jacket. Okay, all right, so again, just do the edge. See, and that's what's nice about these silk organza is they can take the heat and you can see through it. So you can see how, now remember we got to reverse it, so I better figure out where my reverse is. So I'm just going to do a little bit up here. Okay, and then let's go find the reverse. Okay, and it's right here. So right here is where now this spacing, or the jacket part, needs to favor. I mean, now we favor it to the other side. So, there. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so see how that, I'm gonna try that again. But see how I favor it now to this side. So you have to reverse, so I'm reversing it right there. Okay, all right. It's pretty hot, so I'm just gonna hold the heat in like that. Okay, all right, so there's our lovely, see, and there's usually where your button is, your first button, that's usually where it turns. So I think I did it right here. So anyway, look how nice that lays. So that's what you want. I need to finish pressing it. So anyway, we're doing good. We're on a roll. We're on a pressing roll. So we'll keep it going because I'm having so much fun. Because I do like pressing. It's better than, you know, vacuuming, doing dishes. So when I was growing up, I always opted to do the pressing. See? Isn't this awesome? I love wool. It just does what you want. As long as you sew it the way you want.